In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a recovery phone number to a Google account. Adding a recovery phone number to your Google account is essential for both security and convenience. It helps you regain access to your account if you forget your password, lose access to your email, or face suspicious login activity. Google can send verification codes to your phone, making it easier and faster to confirm your identity and recover your account. This added layer of security also protects you from unauthorized access and supports two-step verification for enhanced safety. Let's launch the Google app. In the top right corner, tap on your profile icon. In the pop-up menu, click on Manage your Google account. In the top menu, go to the Security tab. In the Security tab, scroll down and look for Recovery Phone. Now tap on Recovery Phone. Here, you have to give your biometric code or screen lock code to verify your identity. After verifying, tap on Add Recovery Phone. Here, select your country and add your phone number. After giving the phone number, tap on Next. In the pop-up, tap on Save. Here you can see that we've successfully added a recovery phone number to my Google account. Following these steps, you can add a recovery phone number easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.